It's basically a ShopRite thing.
A pack of cyclists.
There's a pack of wild bicycles in a natural habitat.
Oh, we're in Bethany Beach.
Yep. Yeah, I believe that's... No, that's Atlantis. That's the Atlantis one.
It creates signals for that. Gap for a year right there.
At bundlesofjoyuniversity.com. The weather is brought to you by Spicer Brothers Construction, the area's only GAF Solar Elite Roofing Contractor.
What's that noise? I ran over.
Oh, great.
Oh, we have a stop sign for the...
Hey, look, a candy kitchen.
Yep. We're honestly going to end up probably going into Sensations.
That's fine. You're following
The line of cars,
26.
not the truck. Okay.
Or whatever it is. 20 or 26 is one of them.
Oh, he didn't stop for the red, the truck. And then it turned green right after, so he ran a red for nothing. Yeah, behind us, that's exactly what I drove yesterday.
See, yeah, the only like fast food like thing that we have that's like you can
This
use
guy's like in the road.
meal plan whatever for is an express Chick-fil-A.
He also almost drove into me, just saying.
Suits if we're lucky to go to the water, and you care about your legs that much more. The Venus Platinum Razor
Just
makes
leave it
them
in the
look
center,
good.
it's fine.
And in the 2 minutes you'll have for yourself.
This is such a cool little area. Like, just this entire area we're in. Okay, that's definitely not how you're supposed to do that, but we'll pretend that was fine. Ooh, we're at the Burger King. What are we on, like 40th?
I can't
33rd. 33rd.
Turn on red this green only. Lost Galaxy Mode.
Nope. Well, we're gonna go.
The new 1025.
WBOC.
He doesn't know what he's doing.
Yeah, it's
But it's like the same place.
Yes.
Otherwise,
yes.
I mean that kind of makes
I
sense.
know.
It's weird.
I know from applying there, they're the same company.
Eh,
But
yeah.
this is Giant Foods.
Yeah, the road meets back up. I'm gonna want to get over, aren't I? Oh no, this is right. Is it?
I don't know.
Yes.
Yes. Just
That's a very bizarre lane marking.
Game over, show me where forever dies. Take the fall and run to hell, but all is lost.
Watch the tram car, please. That was red light.
We turn it up. Yeah, we turn it up.
But during the summer, you want to rent it out.
yeah.
You store everything you don't want to keep in the house. Bicycles have to follow road rules. At least in Pennsylvania, I don't think that changes in other states.
Whatever.
Especially when there are bike lanes. That was quick. Alright, speed up. If you're gonna cut in front of somebody, literally just hit the gas. If he would have hit the gas like a normal driver, that wouldn't have even been close.
I think each of the Knicks mini golf is like themed different.
I would believe it.
Silver Optima EX.
Or when the road makes me. Thanks for that.
I don't care about you, it's Friday.
Because this is the intersection I wanted to turn in. Oh, you know what? I could probably go past and there'll be one of those U-turn things.
Yeah.
Parking from the... Okay, whatever.
I'm looking for a candy kitchen.
In that. Trust
behind
me.
us.
No, it's ahead of us. I can see it because it stands. He has wide. He has.
Yeah, welcome to Delaware.
This intersection is where we went left, but I don't know the route enough to do that. So we're just gonna go into Delaware and go up to Bethany.
Yeah. Hey, look, a candy kitchen.
That's the one thing about this road I can see is that you have to deal with a lot more foot traffic. That car also definitely did not yield to these PEDs like they're supposed to. Super aggressive because I'm around here. Because in Pittsburgh, if you don't drive aggressive, you're going to get bullied all over the place.
iHeartRadio introduces your weekly mixtape.
So does this go straight out to the coastal highway?
Yeah.
the other cool thing when I do my... Oh, truck just kind of backing out without a care in the world. Of course, it's a Pennsylvania.
I mean, they're on vacation.
Those Pennsylvania drivers.
And hey, what is that right there?
You're right. Really?
No, in terms of like Mexican food, that's really what you got. Either that or Taco Bell. Like,
Taco Bell doesn't count.
oh yeah, because I think we're gonna have to turn left.
Yeah.
If the double tree that we're gaining on.
Speed up. Arrgh, I hate when people do that, and then without a signal, get back over. Campus ones.
We do have an on-campus one that takes diamond dollars, but it's not. You can't use meal swipes at it. It's a chain one. And Master Walk.
I've never heard of it. Or 2 sets of double yellows, you can make a U-turn, like in the middle of a street.
Well, I mean,
yeah,
people will normally go to a traffic light because there are very few traffic. Because the rest is just like, yeah, we're bringing our own stuff. All right.
What?
The rest. Oh, turn right here.
I take it that's a way to avoid.
Most stores near you now.
This is the one,
Did
right?
you know you could save hundreds of dollars
Oh, that's not
by
the one.
switching over to Liberty Mutual Insurance?
That's
yes,
the
it is.
light, but I'm at that turn.
The street.
We're gonna do this.
Just gonna put in Ocean City. Oh, if only it'll actually load.
I was unaware of that fact.
I didn't know that either. So, because I haven't been over here,
Right.
like at all.
Prices all summer long when you shop
Those
online
exist.
on our app or in-store. This week, save $200 and get a Dell Inspiron 15-inch
Oh,
laptop
got
for just
somebody.
$499.99. Limit supply, see store for details.
iHeartRadio introduces your weekly mixtape. Every week, iHeartRadio creates a personal playlist based on the music you're listening to right now. Your weekly mixtape.
Think of me and think of me. They have bizarre light setups on those cars. Keep going. I was like, it's not even noon, so I kind of figured that, like, unless it was another 15 miles, it would be doable. As opposed to this, that's just doable.
Kill me. I think on this road somewhere.
Oh, that sucks.
Oh.
Oh, that's really bad. That truck is... I hear another... Something's going down that way.
By Peninsula Regional Medical Center, the most comprehensive health center on the Eastern Shore, and recognized by Health Grades as among the nation's best
whipping it,
hospitals.
too. Something's going down there. That's nifty. We don't have those. Yeah, I like that.